Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Leo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin kung ano yung mensahe na mababasa po natin para sa araw po ito, para po kay Leo. Have my kids. Unclear. Spoiling you. And the bottom niya is no one compares. Okay, so ang sinasabi dito, Leo, have my kids. I want to have a family with you. I know you'd be an amazing parent, and I dream of the day I can experience raising a family together. Wow. So, siya ay talagang kung gabae nangangarap na isang araw na makapag-umpisa na kayo ng pagkakaroon ng isang pamilya. No, in other words, ito na, nagpaplano na kayo for having kids, no? At talagang makikita mo dito yung, alam mo yon, yung eagerness niya to be a parent, to co-parent with you, no? And ikaw yung napili niya na maging katuwang para maging isang magulang sa magiging mga anak nyo, no? At napakasarap ng feeling na alam mo na itong taon to, Leo, is talagang magiging magaling siyang ama o ina, no, ng inyong mga magiging supling. Kasi andun kasi yung pangarap at saka yung excitement, yung anticipation na ito na yung isa sa mga plano natin na tutuparin natin pareho together. Kaya alam mo yun, isang napakasayang pakiramdam yun or feeling na nag-umpisa na kayo para matupad nga yung plano na yun na magkaroon na ng isang pamilya. Hindi lang kayong dalawa as a couple, kung hindi pamilya na talaga. Okay? Now, dito, merong ibang Leos na dumadanas nitong energy na to. Unclear. I don't know how I feel about this connection anymore. So, medyo meron siyang kaguluhan o question sa kanyang pag-iisip kung ano na bang nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? So, hindi niya na kasi mawari kung ano na bang takbo nitong connection na ito. Okay? Now, meron namang ibang Leos dito na nakikita ko na sinasabihan na spoiling you. I want to give you the good life. I want to spoil you with gifts and trips, everything you could ever need or want. You deserve nothing less. Wow, bongacious to. Kung gaba todo bigay ito. Very generous. At saka talagang sabihin natin, a good provider, no? Kasi talagang gagawin niya lahat ibibigay niya lahat ng gusto mo, no? Lahat ng kailangan mo at saka yung mga trips, no? Either dito sa Pilipinas or sa abroad, kung saan mo gusto pumunta, in other words, no? So, ang swerte, no? Nasasabi ko talaga na hindi naman kasi lahat nakaka-afford na gawin ito, but if you were one of the Leos na merong ganitong kasamang partner, wow, I'm very happy for you kasi may experience mo to, no? I mean, kung hindi pa man, may experience mo siya. Kung na-experience siya na ngayon, then well and good. Just continue doing it kasi it's a wonderful feeling na to be able to give and provide your loved ones, no? Yung talagang gusto niya. Yung talagang alam mong like na like niya, no? Kung gaba ay approve na approve. And here, meron dito pa, another Leo, na pwedeng sinasabihan ng no one compares. No matter how many people I've met and experience I have, there's no one who compares to you. Wow, talaga naman. Leo is someone na talagang extraordinary. Dahil di ba alam naman natin, ang mga Leo is someone na talagang may sinasabi. No? It's always the center of attraction. Siya yung pinaka, kung gaba saan na yung gitna, yung sentro, yung charisma niya, ikaiba-iba. It brings so much joy and sunshine, di ba, sa buhay mo. Kaya talagang no one compares, no? Yung kagandahang loob ni Leo is something na talagang napaka, alam mo yung hindi mo isasabi na sa ibang zodiac sign, because if you are not familiar sa kung ano yung inaano ni Leo, kung anong part siya sa katawan ng tao, Leo represents the heart. Siya yung puso. Yung yung kung gabadatuan organ sa ating katawan na talagang nagbibigay ng pagtibok, no? Yung helps us with the blood circulation and everything, di ba? Alam mo yung importansya ng heart eh. Hindi po ako doktor, pero alam naman po natin lahat ang importansya ng puso. And Leo represents the heart sa puso. Leo represents the heart sa katawan po ng tao. Okay? So, talagang nothing compares. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mababasa natin sa tarot. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Queen of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Bottom niya is the Knight of Swords. Kay Leo, Knight of Swords natin, alam natin na this is representing movement, no? Paggalaw. Something that is aiming to move forward. Now, yung pag-move kasi nito has something to do with going sa yung going to yung past, no? Or yung current mo. Or what is supposed to be happening now, okay? And it has something to do with the Ten of Pentacles. Yung gusto mong gumalaw, things that you wanted to progress, is yung idea na, yun nga, eventually, you want to have a family. Ito yun, have my kids. Kasi dito mo makikita yung having children, no? Having a partner in life, having children, having the home, having the money, even having the dogs, no? Kung meron pa nga dito. So, even pagdating ng pagtanda mo, andun siya, no? Talagang, kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi, na Ten of Pentacles is having it all, no? Nasa inyo na lahat. Kaya this is one of the best cards. And, hindi lang yun, ano? Not just to have a family sa future, but to have love, no? Merong pagmamahal. And this is something about talking about new love, no? Bagong pag-ibig. Maybe a love that is really, sabihin natin na blessed by God. Kasi yung kamay na to is from God, no? Ino-offer niya itong isang cup na to na nag-overflow yung water, di ba? Na talagang, kung gaba ito yung pag-ibig na hinihingi mo sa akin. At hindi lang yun, kung hindi gusto mo, pati yung samahan o partnership na merong cooperation, may harmony, maganda ang pagsasama. In other words, may compatible kayo, nagkakaintindihan kayo mabuti, nagkakasundo, di ba? Yung parehong skills nyo, yung galing nyo, na pagbubuklod nyo, na pagsasama nyo, para maka-create pa kayo ng mas magandang pagsasama, kung ba? Okay? I think this is more or less yung ini-aim mo, no, mangyari. Now, yung first card mo dito, Leo, is the Knight of Pentacles. Ito yung, sabihin natin, yung nakaraan mo. May offer, no? There is this offer that you receive. Ang problema lang dito, well, actually, I don't see it really a problem, but maybe some of you would think it's a problem, na mabagal kasi yung energy nito, no, itong Knight of Pentacles. Hindi agad siya kumikilos o gumagalaw o gumagawa ng desisyon. Kasi ang idea niya is really to take it slow, baby steps, even to point na nagpo-procrastinate siya, no, pinatatagal talaga niya. In other words, meron tong, kung gabay strategy niya is to delay, pabagalin. Bakit? Kasi ang gusto niya is sigurado. Sigurado yung magiging paggalaw niya sa future. In other words, kung nag-decide niya na kailangan niya ng gumalaw o gumawa ng desisyon, no, towards this relationship, sure na sure siya. Okay? Wala nang pwedeng makapagbago nung kanyang desisyon o pag-iisip niya, kasi alam niya, based sa kanyang nalaman, na research, na pag-intay, na pag-isip-isip, na tama siya, na ito na nga ang gagawin ko. Ito yung tao gusto ko. Ito yung tao na gusto kong magkaroon ng pamilya sa future. In other words, ito yung pakakasalan ko. O ito yung pakakasalan. O yeah, gano'n. Ito nga pakakasalan ko. No? Parang gano'n yung ano niya eh. Yung sinasabi niya dito. Now, hindi masama yun, di ba? Kasi nag-iingat ka lang eh. You're being wise about making a very important decision in your life. But sometimes, ang nagiging challenge kasi, Leo, is the fact na nagiging overprotective naman yung dating. Now, with the 7 of Wands, parang sobrang protection naman ang ginagawa mo. No, teka muna. To a point na sometimes, not everybody can understand yung energy na to. It has to be explained. You talk it out, no? Kasi minsan may mga kasama tayo o partner tayo in life that, they're so eager na, sige na, halika na, tayo na, magpakasal na tayo, magplano na tayo. Dapat next year meron ng ganito. Ikaw hindi ka ganun eh. Hindi mo binibigyan ng tag na next year ganito, no? Titignan mo muna, you will see. Then maybe pag medyo andun ka na, medyo sure ka na, then that's the time you will be telling your partner, okay, by 2025, you will get married. Yung mga ganon. Now, kaya yung pagiging mo rito, protective or defensive dito sa relationship nyo. Para sa iyo kasi it's a sign of love. No, yung pinapakita mo yung pagmamahal mo through being that protective of it, no? Talagang yun making sure na magiging maayos yung relationship natin. Kasi yun yung way mo to show, yung gabayan ng love language mo At least one of your love language, if not the only one, okay? And ang intention mo kasi is to be able to make that decision. Hindi yung ganitong energy na two of swords kasi, di ba, you're blindfolded. And it seems that you cannot make any decision at all kasi hindi mo pa nakikita Hindi mo nakikita na yung mga bagay na gusto mong makita kasi nga nakapikit ka Kung gabat tinakluban mo yung mata mo. The fact that it's also meron ditong moon symbolizes that there are things that are hidden from you. Things that are unknown, hindi mo alam what would happen. Ganun naman talaga, di ba? We don't really know the future ahead. We only know that we can feel in our hearts that this person is the one for us. Siya yung tamang tao, kaya yung decision ko tama rin, no? Yun lang alam mo, but the rest, would you know kung magiging totally successful yung relationship? No, di ba? This is really saying na you should take the risk. Magbaka sakali ka. But you know what you feel inside. Kasi, di ba, bago ito muna. So may love, no? Because you love the person. That love is the one you are holding on. And it is enough for you to make that, di ba, decision. Hindi yung feeling na ganito na parang no, hindi ko alam. Pero sige, agawin ko kahit hindi ko alam mangyayari. Pero dahil kasi mahal ko siya, sige susunod. Wag ko, gagalaw ako. I will move forward. And by doing that, ang mangyayari niyan ito, which is exactly what you wanted. This is the outcome. The Four of Wands. Beautiful. Kung di nyo pa ito naintindihan, kung mga bago pa lang po kayo nanonood ngayon, the Four of Wands is all about yung preparation for the future. Ito yung stage na nagsasabi na tayo ng, I am planning to make that marriage proposal. Or, this is saying na you will be receiving a marriage proposal. Take it as it resonates, Leo. Okay? Kasi ito yung, di ba, it symbolizes yung four corners of the house. Yung foundation, yung nag-i-establish ka na. This also means the 11-11 card. Yung tinatawag nating twin flame card. That you're meant to be in union with each other. Okay? So, maganda siya. No? Napakaganda ng cards. Tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung Knight of Pentacles? Oops. Yung tumalon is the Nine of Cups. The Ace of Wands. And the Two of Wands. Yung pinag-iisip-isipin na itong ating knight, of course, is something that gusto niya maging wish fulfillment para sa kanya, a new beginning that is definitely very passionate, no? In other words, mainit ang pagmamahal, may attraction. Of course, we are also talking about sexual intimacy, no? May laban, kung gaba. And this is all about making that decision, no? To move forward. Ito na yon, nag-iisip na siya na gagawin ko na ba to? With the Two of Wands? Ito na ba? Is this the one? Kasi tingnan mo, no? Yung you are looking dito sa new beginning na to. Something that you are, wishing for or hoping that would happen. So, yun yung kung bakit medyo mabagal pa. You're trying to look at this and trying to make that decision. Pero ready ka na. No, you're ready to make that decision. Bakit andito yung Seven of Wands? We have the Emperor, the Empress, and the Magician. Wow, they're all major arcana. Dito pa lang, naiintindihan niyo na siguro. Diba? Emperor, Empress, mag-asawa yan. Sila yung mag-partner dito sa tarot. Sila yung pinaka mataas, no? Kung gaba sa kaharian, sila yung pinaka mataas. So they are meant to be together. They are compatible, no? Sila talaga ang mag-compatible. And with the Magician, this is really giving that manifestation, no? Yung pinagdasal mo na makita mo talaga yung kamatch mo. Yung talagang partner mo in life. Somebody that is really yung the same as you. 'Di ba? Yung somebody na at least hindi man totally equally the same, but hindi kayo nagkakalayo. Very, very compatible kayo. Kung ba nagja-jive kayo. No? Yung ugmang-ugma yung mga ugali nyo sa isa't isa. And I think that is the one that you are trying to be protective about, not to really make sure that your person is really kamatch, no? Bakit andito yung Queen of Cups? Wow, we have the Devil, the Hierophant, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, now, love mo, no? There is love in this relationship. But something that is not good, no? May pagka-toxic. Has something to do with marriage. Maybe this is what had happened, no? Kung ba something happened, kung you started to be good kasi okay kayo, compatible kayo, but I think something along the line, sorry, I'm losing my voice. It means there's something that is not being said dito sa sitwasyon mo, Leo. There is toxic happening right now, no? Sa relationship na to. And it is something to do with your marriage. Kasi parang nakita ko dito, okay, finally decided to go on. Kasi nakita mo compatible naman kayo. So, you got married. Or you decided to do that proposal and you're engaged to be married. But somehow, something went wrong. Kaya parang nagkaroon ng ending. I don't know what's happening, but you can see I'm losing my voice. I'm not making this up. Talagang ihirapan ako magsalita. Now, maybe we'll clarify again kung bakit nagkaganon, no? All this time, may love, pero bakit pumangit yung relasyon, no? Pumangit yung relationship. Clarify natin. But andito yung Devil. At andito yung Devil. Nahulog yung Six of Wands. The Knight of Swords. And the Three of Swords. Okay, so yung Devil, tinanong natin bakit andito siya. gusto mong maging successful yung relationship. Very obvious yan. And you want things to happen fast. Gusto mo mabilis. But because of that, nagdala yun ng heartache. I think you parang minamadali mo lahat. I think that's what happened. Everything seemed to be like minamadali mo na maging ganito kayo agad, na ma-reach nyo agad itong ganitong status in life. But somehow, it may be brought frustration and heartache. Kasi minsan, di ba, dahil yun sa eagerness natin na matupad natin lahat ng pangarap natin dalawa sa ating pagsasama. Pero kung hindi pa siya naangkop na mangyari, hindi magiging maganda yung outcome. We have to remember, yes, we have plans. We have prayed for it, diba kay God? But you also have to put in our hearts and in our minds that it is still God that is the one orchestrating this to happen. Siya pa rin na nagkukumpas sa ating buhay para mangyari lahat ng ating pinagdasal. Okay? Even if you're doing all the efforts, pero pag nakita niyang the timing is off, hindi pa ngayon to, wag mong madaliin, wag mong ipuwersa na mangyari ito kasi hindi yan nasa plano ko pa. Okay? Naintindihan niyo ako kung bakit naging toxic. Kasi ang ganda ng umpisa mo eh. Okay naman kayo, pero bakit nagkaroon ng heartache? Now, bakit andito yung Two of Swords? We have Justice. The Page of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. What you cannot decide to do dito, Leo, is your marriage nga, your partnership. Because this is justice, no? Might be dealing with a Libra. And it's parang kino-question mo yung pagsasama nyo eh. That, yung message na yon na maybe what you need is an apology. To receive an apology. And things will change, with the Wheel of Fortune. Kasi parang, ang nangyari is, kaya ka siguro, hindi ka makadecide kung ano na bang gagawin natin sa relationship na to. Since things are not really going quite well, we have heartache, nasaktan tayo pareho, sa kagustuhan natin maging maganda yung but kung gusto mong mabago yung takbo, and you have to admit first that there were wrong decisions na ginawa, and maybe an apology is needed, paghingi ng tawad kung sino man yung nagkamali o nagkamali kayo pareho, kailangan humingi ng tawad para mabago muli yung takbo ng buhay nyo, yung takbo ng relationship na ito. Kasi dito parang hindi ka hindi ka maka-move forward. You don't know what to do. Hindi mo naiintindihan kung ano nang gagawin next. Now, bakit andito yung Four of Wands? We have the Page of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. Ang sabi ko, diba, this is the one heading towards a proposal to build or to get married, to establish that relationship. Diba? Kaya, kung ba parang sinasabi dito, if you went through itong problema na to, and then manage to somehow fix yung pag-uusap nyo, with the marriage, yung having, by asking some apology, no? Humingi na ng sorry. Okay? And what could be expressed is para ma-retain ulit itong fondasyon na to is, show, even from a very small token, that you are serious about this, yung pagbabago na to, and that yung clarity, no, even in the absence of clarity for some aspects, okay ka pa rin that you will accept this renewal and that you will not go away anymore. Hindi ka na aalis. You will not be leaving anymore. Okay? Kasi ang gusto nyo talaga is mapatibay yung relationship. Talagang lahat dumadaan sa pagsubok, no? Kahit na sabihin natin nag-umpisa ka ng maganda, inuumpisahan mo, ang gusto mo ganitong maging maayos lahat. But there will be times the marriage will be tested, no? It will be tested. Kaya pumapasok tong devil energy. Tinitignan kung gaano kayo katatag. Kaya nga, it is very important, no? Yung katatag na yun is, with the Hierophant, is something to do with tradition, with relationship, with something that is been, yung matagal na, no? Na establish. And that is really, kung you really work on it, no? Pinagtatrabahuhan mo yung mabuti para makamit nyo nga yun. Hindi yun basta-basta. That's why you wanted to be successful in this relationship. That I could understand. No? But somehow, maybe, kung gaban, hindi natupad yun eh. Because I think you went so fast with your decision or your doings. Kaya, nagdala lang siya ng sakit sa damdamin. To a point na maybe it affected your marriage, no? Affected your marriage. Kaya nga, an apology should be made para mabago to change yung takbo. And able to retain the marriage. Show, pakita mo that you are serious. Make that offer. Okay? And don't leave, no? Kasi this is an energy of leaving. Huwag ka umalis. Stick it out with your person. Diba? Stick it out with your person. Dito kasi pumapasok yung things na medyo nagugulo. There are things na unclear, di ba? I don't know how I feel about the connection anymore. So, meron ditong portion na, ayun, andito siya, na naguguluhan ka na. Now, tingnan natin kung maayos niyo ba itong gulo sa relationship. Yes. Ten of Pentacles, yeah. Maayos mo yung pamilya mo. Maayos mo siya. Kaya, ibig sabihin, magbabalikan talaga kayo. Kaya magbabalikan kayong dalawa. Kailan ba maayos ito? Kailan siya naayos? In the nearest future. So, kung medyo, sabihin natin, ini-experience nyo siya ngayon, no? Itong gulo na to. In the near future, maayos na siya. Now, ano yung advice pa for Leo? Ito malon. Get to know each other. Learn to meet another needs for love. Get to know. Alamin mo maigi kung ano ba talaga yung gusto nyo sa isa't isa. Baka maybe what happened really is, baka may nagkaroon nga ng kanya-kanya ng yung before na isa lang ang plano, naging kanya-kanya na siguro, and then yung eagerness na yun na matupad agad. But di ba sabi ko nga, it's all in God's perfect timing. Minsan gusto na natin ma-achieve, pero dahil nga sinabi ni God, no, it's not yet the time. We have to respect that. Kailangan aware tayo doon at tanggapin natin yun na baka hindi pa to yung oras. Huwag natin madaliin. Diba? Kasi may oras sa bawat ginagawa natin lahat. Sa bawat pinagdasal natin. May kanya-kanyang timing yan. Kung kailan mangyayari. Kung saan mangyayari. Kanino mangyayari. Okay? Sana nakatulong po ito sa iyo, Leo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.